Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
I read somewhere in your writings that in order to understand the confidential affairs of Radha and Krishna, one must serve the gopis, or a servant of the gopis. And I assume that you were a servant of the gopis. Is that correct? Or how do I serve the servants of the gopis?
Gopis, they are not conditioned souls. They are liberated spirits. So first of all, you have to come out from this conditioned life. Then the question of serving gopi will come. Don't be, at the present moment, very eager to serve gopi. Just try to get out of your conditional life. Then time will come when you will be able to serve gopi. In this conditional state, we cannot serve anything. Krishna is but one. But Krishna gives us opportunities to accept service in this Archa Marga. Just like we keep the deity of Krishna offers prasadam under regulations, under principle. So we have to make advance in this way. This chanting, hearing and worshipping in the temple, arati, offering prasadam. In this way, as we make advance, then automatically Krishna will reveal to you and you will understand your position, how you have to. Gopis means who are always constantly engaged in the service of the Lord. So that eternal relationship will be revealed. So we have to wait for that. Immediately we cannot imitate serving gopis. That's a good idea that we shall serve gopi, but it will take time, not immediately. Immediately we have to follow the rules and regulations and routine work.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.